Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets science, and every product gets the honest spotlight it deserves. If you've ever struggled with lashes that feel heavy, slip off too easily, or just don't give that full fluttery effect, today's review is for you. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip, trick, or in-depth review that actually helps you make informed beauty choices. We're looking at the Ardell Deluxe Pack Wispies with Applicator, model number 68947. This set comes with 2 pairs of the iconic wispies, a duo lash adhesive, and a handy applicator. Ardell is known for creating lashes that aim to balance comfort with dramatic effect, and these are designed to be lightweight, easy to apply, and wearable for both everyday and special occasions. Right out of the box, the packaging feels sturdy, and the inclusion of an applicator is a thoughtful touch for anyone who's ever wrestled with tricky lash placement. The lashes themselves have that signature wispy look, layered, tapered, and designed to mimic natural lashes while adding volume where it counts. The duo adhesive is a classic formula, known for its balance of strong hold without being overly harsh on the delicate lash line. In my testing, applying these lashes was straightforward, thanks in large part to the applicator. It really helps position the lashes precisely, which can save a lot of frustration, especially if you're new to false lashes. The wispies feel remarkably lightweight once in place and didn't tug on my natural lashes, which is a common issue with thicker strips. I wore them for a full day, moving through morning errands and evening plans, and they stayed secure without lifting at the corners. A solid performance for a strip lash. On the practical side, the adhesive dries clear, which is always a plus, and removal was gentle, leaving no residue or irritation. The only minor drawback I noticed is that, depending on your lash line length, some trimming might be necessary to achieve a perfect fit. But overall, comfort and wearability were excellent. Pros? They're easy to apply, lightweight, comfortable for extended wear, and the included applicator and adhesive make this set very beginner-friendly. The lashes give a natural yet enhanced effect that layers beautifully with mascara if you want extra volume. Cons? You may need to trim the strip for a perfect fit, and because this is a 2-pair set, heavy daily users might go through them quickly. The adhesive is reliable but requires a moment to become tacky before application, so patience is key. In terms of value, the pack is reasonable. You're getting lashes, adhesive, and an applicator, which collectively would cost more if purchased separately. Compared to other mid-range lash kits, Ardell's Wispies stand out for their comfort and realistic appearance. Build quality is solid, with the lashes maintaining their shape even after multiple uses if handled carefully. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you've struggled with heavy, uncomfortable lashes, the Ardell Deluxe Wispies are a strong option. Cheaper alternatives exist, but they often sacrifice comfort or realistic appearance. So if you prioritize ease of wear and that signature wispy look, this set hits the mark. Overall, Ardell's Deluxe Pack Wispies with Applicator delivers on its promise. Comfortable, wearable, and flattering lashes that don't require expert-level skill to apply. Perfect for both daily wearers and those special occasions when you want a little extra drama. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. Don't forget the link to grab this set is in the comments or description box. If you've tried these lashes, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.